for the machine starts, OCTL machine starts, while the new machine arrives, you should check the machine inside. Because sometimes we will put some tools in the machine, or maybe some parts, some molds in the machine. So you should check the tools and clean inside the machine, check the machine inside there are block or not. Because long time delivery, maybe inside and you should check the board, especially the moving board, is loose or not. Maybe because long time delivery, you should check there are some objects inside or not. You should check, take all the tools from the machine inside. Okay, right now, first check the machine inside and check the top, also the top. Only there are no other objects to block the machines. Because you should take, for example, take this part out. This is remote control. This is hand control, and this is for the manual collect. And here is the collector, floor collector. Okay, first we say the machine. Here is feed the paper. The printed and cut the cap one. Feed to this place. Here's the sensor. Use the paper to detect, sensor to detect the paper. If not a short paper, it's alarm. Will alarm you and no stop. After that, remind you to feed paper more. And here is feed the bottom paper. Here is feed the bottom paper. Bottom paper lose this board and feed the paper inside, and then feed the paper. Here is the blower for the ultrasonic. This one is ultrasonic. Ultrasonic for the cup side sealing. When the cup paper comes here, when the cup fan comes there, for the cup side sealing by ultrasonic. This one for the top curly lubricate. For this place, for the top curly lubricate. That means here filling the silane oil. Silane oil, food grade, low color, low smell. And here is the switch. After cup side sealing, this direct transfer to the mold. Comb transfer to the mold. And the bottom. And the bottom come here. Bottom directly feed to the mold. When they want comb, when the cup body come here and come to here, body feed. Here is detect the paper in the cup fan. And we check the sensor. When cup fan feed, here is the sensor. Here is the sensor to detect the cup fan. When cup fan pass, and this one goes approach to this board, this light, and then the after paper close the rim. This is the rim. The rim close, outside close, and then outside work. Here is another sensor to detect the comb. If cup side, cup body seal. If cup paper feed, but the cup body not seal. Come here, no comb, no cup body comb. This will auto stop. That means cup body no seal, auto stop here. And then transfer. Here is to block the cup back, and then transfer to this comb. This lift to the cup mold. And when the cup body come here, this sensor detects the body, and then can come to here, body punch. Only there are cup body, cup comb, here bottom punch. And this is detect to the, here is another sensor. Here is another sensor detects the high bottom punch. If low bottom punch, auto stop. Only there are bottom punch, the machine continue work. This one is for the bottom fold, first fold. This is prepared for the double PE, for the double PE. If you use double PE, you should collect this for the double PE. Only for the single PE, this one is loaded. And for the double PE, you should lower the speed, reduce the temperature. This one is for the preheating. That means for pre-fold, fold the bottom. And second and the third is the main heat. Main heat by air compressor or main heat by hot air. And here is the learning, cup learning the cup bottom. Here is the learning the cup bottom, learning. Here is the curling the top. And here is discharge. Here is curling pressure. Adjust the curling pressure. Here is press down to adjust the learning pressure here. And this one is for the discharge. Press down to discharge the cup to here. And then transfer to here. And then come to the cup collector. Here is blower, come to the collector. And here collect to the pipe. Here is sensor. This sensor is to detect if the cup drop on this furnace, maybe drop on the curling or maybe drop on the learning. If cups not come here, this sensor detects and the machine also stop. This sensor detects the paper cup pass. If cup low discharge, low discharge down, low discharge down, low discharge. If have low discharge and not come here and passed. This sensor detects the paper pass and auto stop. And also, when the cups come here for the collect, if the cups not blow out or not go to the collector, it's passed. Also auto stop. And there are sensors here to control. Here is the sensor control the machine perlation. Sensor here, near the motor. Sensor here. Sensor control the perlation. Control which place stop. Sensor. Here is the sensor. Here is the main motor. This one is oil pump with filter, oil pump. And this one is the learning motor, cup learning motor. Control the cup learning and the curling. Here is a belt. Here is also belt. And here is the cup bottom pull motor. Pour the paper. Here is the cup bottom pull sensor. If cup bottom short, automatic pull. And here is the serial motor. Feed the serial motor, feed the cup bottom. Feed the cup bottom step by step. And this is the remote controller. That means together with this one. Together with this one controller machine. Okay, when machine arrived, first we load the machine, and the second we collect the electricity. You know, when the machine is three-phase, three line. 1, 2, 3 is spare line. This one is loud line. and collect the machine in this place. L1, L2, L3 is a fire line. N is lava line. N is lava. Lava line means the zero line, but it's not earth line. When you collect the electric, you can check turn on the power to check. Because this machine there are phase protection. If the wire collect not good, not correct, the machine cannot start. And you see, every time when you open the machine, open the total motor, it shows urgent emergency stop. That means here, we should control. Release emergency control. You should release this one. Okay. Here, see the movement controller. Jog. Jog means step-by-step move. Step-by-step move. And this is jog wave. That means jog with ultrasonic, second one. When jog one in and ultrasonic work, the ultrasonic work. The paper suck. That means suck the carbon paper. This one with wheel. That means ant will turn. But normally do not run this. This one is for jog. This one is for jog ultrasonic. When you adjust the adjustment the machines, this one is one jog. It's good. Now for the panel. First the heater. Heater 1, heater 2, heater 3, heater 3, heater 4. Normally it's heater 1, 2, 3, 4. Heater 5 or heater 6 loading. Heater 5 will be here. Heater 6 will be there. Heater 5 or heater 6 is prepared for the heavy paper. Some of the people will use very heavy paper and different material paper. So you should prepare this one for preheating. For the preheating. And here is for start. Two start together. Press two buttons together to start the machine. This one also jog. Jog is same work like the movement motor. Same work. You see. And this one is stop. Stop. This one is indicator. This one urgent stop. Here is the paper sack switch. This one turn on, suck the paper. This one's air switch. This one turn on the air blower work, air compressor blower work. Here is a learning motor. Learning is control the learning. It's for the cupboard learning. But this one work same. This one's work is same like this model. You see, here's learning. Here's fan feed. If you press this on, press this to on, that means while the machine running, this one automatic running. This one is a blower switch. The blower control this one and control that one. The blower switch. And this alarm switch. Only turn on the alarm switch. The machine will automatically control the monitor page. Will automatically control the monitor page. This one is turn on the switch. This one for the blower. This small blower and this blower. And this is total power. This is total power. Okay, we can, when you clean the machine and check there's no problem, and the phase collect right, you can try to one job to check whether there are blocks. And also you can do like this. You can turn off the power. You can turn off the power and one by hand to check whether there are blocks. You should check the learning. The learning motor is clockwise running, and all this is this part also clockwise running. Okay, what now is for the start for the machine is that we just know something about the machine and for how to fit the paper and how to start the machine tomorrow 10 hours. Next time let's stay 10 hours.